As we bring it back, yeah, yep, exactly. Your feet, you want to get eventually into those. And then your knees will just kind of go right into the knee supports. All right. Okay, so then what holds you up is just these bars going through those holes right there.
Oh, okay.
So it's actually pretty simple.
Okay.
We'll do it on this side and then I'll just make sure. Yeah. Make sure not screw anything up there. And then I'm going to do this additional back support. Now, once you're like using it every day, some people care about this and some people don't.
Yeah.
So it's kind of whatever your preference is. Your weight will shift and you can adjust it.
Okay.
Now I'm going to start tightening these up. You'll feel it kind of lifting you up off the bench a little bit. So when you're ready, you can rest your hands right here. You're going to squeeze just this side. I'm just going to stand you up. Okay, again, you can let off at any point. And the other thing you can do, if that feels loose or you feel like you can wiggle a lot, you can tighten these up a little bit. I don't want to make it so you can't breathe, so I kind of let you control that. It's a proportional joystick, so the harder you push, the faster you go, but also there's speed settings, and I have it set to not go too fast yet, until you get used to it. But you can start to cruise around and yeah, come away from there. There's a kitchen you can go into to see what that's like.
Weird. This is trippy. Okay, now.
You can go in the kitchen if you want. Go outside if you really want.
Really?
Yeah.
Whoa. That's weird. This thing freaking cruises on the grass.
Yeah.
That does pretty well.
Yeah.
That's freaking pretty well. That's crazy.
How are you?
Good, all right.
Good.